Hello everyone, I'm Shad and welcome to the video series of Mastering Apache Spark in 100 Days. So today we'll be taking the first step, which is installation of Spark using GigaX Data Platform on my Mac laptop. First, we'll go to the website gigahex.com and install the dependencies, which is PostgreSQL database and Java 11. So let's copy these commands and paste into a terminal. So I have it already installed, so I'll just move on to the next steps. So this is going to download the boundaries for the GigaX server, and once it has been downloaded, it is going to install in your current home directory. You need to restart the shell. So now you need to run gxe start. This is going to start the PostgreSQL database, and it will also generate the credentials using which you can log into the data platform. Let's give the workspace a name. Now we are ready to create our first Spark cluster. We will choose the latest version. And right now we can install Spark with the standalone cluster manager. There are ways to configure the Spark configurations, but right now we are going to leave it with the default. Now let's start it. So this is going to download the Spark boundaries and install and start all the different components like master, worker, and the history server. Once it has downloaded, it is going to start the cluster, and we could see the metrics over here. So we can see the metrics. We have 6 cores in my Mac, and 7 gigs of RAM has been allocated to the worker. Let's run the Spark shell. So with this Spark shell, this is going to register a Spark application with the app ID. And now we are ready to run Spark applications on a laptop. We have created an RDD and we have counted the number of elements that exist in that RDD. So hope this would help you to get started with Apache Spark with minimal hassle. So in the next session, we are going to see how we can run different kind of programs on a Spark shell. Thank you and have a great day. Goodbye.